Hi, I'm Daniele Piani, CEO of Toppy. This is our 15th year at LogiMAT, where for the first time we will showcase an AI integrated solution. This innovation will help companies streamline the process of layering and picking load from the pallets. On top of that, in our booth you will find 4 different pallet-changing solutions, each designed to meet the specific need of various industries. We also showcase our recent installation of automatic pallet-changing solution, customized to fit specific workflow. Product types, pallet, warehouse area and require a level of automation. This solution improves pallet management with multinational companies all around the world, and we can't wait to present them at LogiMAT this year. For this reason, I would like to personally invite you to visit us in our stand in Halle 10. See you there. Ciao!